Do you know what is a guajira? Stay with me in this video and you will learn all about guajiras. Hi there! Welcome back to my channel. This is Maria Vega with the Open Flamenco Project, your online place to learn everything about flamenco and Spanish dance. Also, remember that I'm teaching live in central London. You have all the details underneath in the comments of this video. So, the guajira. What is guajira? Where did it come from? So, guajira is part of what we call the cantes de ida y vuelta. This type of cantes and styles in flamenco, they came from South America. The guajira specifically was born from the punto cubano, a type of music that was used in rural areas of Cuba. There is proof that the guajiras came to Spain from as early as the 18th century, but it was actually in the 1930s that the famous flamenco singer Pepe Marchena made them more popular in Spain and made the singing style a bit more melismatic and richer. How about the rhythm? So the rhythm is in a 12 pattern. It's composed of two different types of rhythm, a 3x4 and a 6x8. That's why it's called a compás de amalgama, made of a mixed rhythm, okay? So you might be very familiar with this type of rhythm because the bulerías, alegrías, soleá, they are also a compás de amalgama, and the length is also 12. The most important difference between the rhythm in the guajiras and in the bulerías is where we put the accent, okay? I'm sure you all know that in the bulerías, and if you don't know, there's a whole video about bulerías in this channel, so you can use this at this moment just to see the differences between both. So, in the bulerías, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay? So the accent is on the end, okay? And in the guajira is in the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay? So it's kind of a bit tricky to count it like that with all the numbers. So let's try a more simplified way with 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, okay? That's gonna be easier, I promise you. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The guajiras nowadays, we dance in flamenco so many times with fun. That's something that really suits very well to the cadence of this type of dancing. It is mainly performed by female dancers and is a very delicate and feminine type of dance. I want to show you a few movements with the fun. First piece is going to be just one compass, okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, let's do it again. Just open up your fan, close your fan with the other hand. Now go around your head once, twice, and now just open up and slide your hand until the fan stays in this position beside your head, okay? It is very recommended that you watch my video regarding the fan technique, so you learn the way to move your hand, you move your fan properly, the technique, some tips, and all this is going to be useful when you are dancing with your fan. Okay, let's do it again, a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, slowly again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Another combination that might be useful for a remate. Okay, again, focus on the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Tapping my shoulder, and at the same time the shoulder is going to be forward. 2, 1, 2, 1. Wait until the last, very last moment in the compass. 2. Okay, and remember, your chin is very important. Chin a bit down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and third and last one. There's sometimes that you want to close your fan and maybe just use both hands or do a bit of footwork using your skirt, but basically you want your hands free. So here's an easy combination to put your fan back in your waist or any other part of your costume that you see fit in a nice way. So starting again, we're going to do just a nice turn up to here. Now we're going to surprise the audience opening the fan like this. Okay, there you go. Now we're going to close it up, and now we're just going to put it back in a nice shape in your pocket. Where first I need to find out how my fan opens so anyone can see the beautiful pattern. Some fans they don't have, and they have pattern in both sides, so it's slightly easier. But then before doing it, you just need to find out what is this side. So I've seen that it's like this, so you have to take the fan from the very tip, okay, and then close it, and I'm in the right position. So now keep holding your fan from this area, okay, because you're gonna need it later, so you need to get ready. Same circle around your head. Make sure you go all over the side, so it's a bit more effective when you do this. There you go. Make sure you're grabbing it from the very edge. Now just give it a bit of energy, so it will close, and then just do a nice spin around before you put it back. Are you ready? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please give me a like if you did. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. That really helps me to come up with new content and to reach to more people who might find also a passion for flamenco and Spanish dance. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much again for watching, and see you soon. Bye. Bye.